Distinctive Solutions' mission is to improve the personal finances of young people throughout the United Kingdom. We work with local authorities and organisations to empower young people aged 10 to 24 with financial literacy skills. These essential qualities are developed through interactive workshops and games. Children and young people research the careers they aspire to achieve in the future. They learn how to manage their income through budgeting techniques. They understand their credit score and how to maintain and improve it. They recognise the importance of savings and investments. If you recognise the need for financial education for young people in your community, contact us now.